Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the July Bellabox, so let's get into it. Let's dive into the box, let's see what we got. The first one is something we have already received, like literally a couple of months ago. So I'm not like overly excited at all because we've just received this a couple of months ago. This is the 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Neck Cream. 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Neck Cream contains the power of Maritech Bright Organic Fucoidian polyphenol, which visibly transforms the skin by regenerating skin cells, helping the skin restore itself to its natural radiance and tighten. The tightening action of Magistem creates firmer skin of the neck and décolletage, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and restore elasticity. So this one is the full size. It is $42.95, available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and 40fathoms.com.au. So yeah, we've already received this and I still haven't really used the one that we got last time. So not like, exciting. I usually just bring my moisturizer down onto my neck. I don't really need a whole separate cream just for neck. So yeah, I mean, I was fine to receive it the first time, but to get it again, it's just a bit annoying. Like, people get a Bellabox to try products that they've never tried before, try new products, try things that, they wouldn't try on their own. And we just keep getting the same stuff over and over again. It's getting a little bit old. Like, I want to try new things, not things that you've sent me just a couple of months ago. And this expires in December, so I can understand why it's in the box. They want to move the product along before it expires. I think the one that they gave us last time expires a few months after we got it as well. So yeah, very annoyed that we keep getting stuff like this, but moving on to the next product, I guess. Something, I think we've received this before, but not this particular one. I know we've received White Glow many times before in the White Glow, like in the other packaging. I know we've received the charcoal one before. This is the White Glow Professional Choice Toothpaste. Rated most effective whitening toothpaste by CanStar Blue and receiving a seal of approval by the Australian Dental Association. This formulation was originally developed for actors and models. With regular use, this will help restore your teeth's glamorous shine, giving you a radiant smile. So this is just a sample, but the full size 150 grams is $5.30 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Look, toothpaste is not the most exciting product to receive in a box, but it's definitely handy to have. I've got like a whole container full of these little toothpastes I never seem to use. I just get on with my good old Colgate, but I'll definitely get to it at some point. But it's also, it is handy to have these things on hand, but each their own. Some people might be super excited about it. I'm kind of just like a meh, meh. Like, it's okay, it's not bad, it's not amazing. So, it's what it is. Next, we have something actually exciting. It is a makeup product. This is the MCoBeauty Waterproof Full Lash Mascara. I'm going to assume this is full size. It is $22 at Big W, Woolworths, and MCoBeauty.com. MCoBeauty's Waterproof Full Lash Mascara will survive water, sweat, and tears. Create bolder and fuller lashes with this 4-in-1 mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes for a big, wide-eye look. Lasts all day long due to the waterproof formula. Now, I'm very happy to receive something like this in the box. It's a makeup product. It's not exactly like gonna hurt, like in terms of shade-wise. Like, a black mascara is gonna be good for everyone. I'm very excited to try it because this brand is very much readily available to us, especially at Woolworths supermarkets. And the waterproof formula isn't a formula I would usually reach for. However, they are really good to have on hand in summer should you get really sweaty. So yeah, really great to have this in the box. I probably will save it for summer before I try it, just because you don't want to open mascaras and few months later they're dried out. I'd rather try the waterproof formulas in the summertime when I'm getting a little bit sweatier. So yeah, that's an awesome product. I can't wait to try it on later on in the year. I feel like we've received this before. I could be wrong, but you know, something to this effect in this family. But this is the Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon. This is just a sample, but the full 113 gram size is $16.99 at Woolworths, Coles, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Prevent frizz and repel humidity by treating your hair to Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Finishing Cream. The exceptional cream helps to camouflage imperfections such as flyaways, static frizz and split ends for a sleek and polished finish with a silky touch. So I'm actually interested to give this a go. I feel like I've got samples of this already. I've just never thought about using it. My hair tends to be quite frizzy, so it is a good product for me to receive in the box. I might again save it for summer because, you know, when things are hot and humid, my hair seems to explode. Like you can feel it growing in the humidity. Not that there's humidity in Adelaide, but you know, traveling and such. I will definitely give this a go, probably later on in the summer months. Now we have a Burmese Dream Smudge-Proof Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Oh, another makeup product. That's really great that we got 2 makeup products in the box. I'm going to assume this one's full size. It is $18 at burmesedream.com, just.com. They also have a promo code. You can use the code BellaBox to receive 20% off at the burmesedream.com website. That's excluding bundles, conditions apply. Lovingly crafted to celebrate the culture of Burma, each lipstick shades are more than just a color. It is an essence of the city's persona. The extremely lightweight formula is long-wearing and transfer-proof, lasting up to 16 hours. So this is the shade Bagan, B-A-G-A-N. Looks to be a bright color. Let's open her up. Okay, not super, super bright, but like more of like that terracotta-y sort of like darker brown. Could be considered as a nude on some skin tones. Let's give it a swatch. So one swipe, got lots of color payoff. It looks really nice. A nice like sort of like wintry autumnal color, so definitely great for us to wear right now since we are in winter here in Australia. I'm going to assume it's matte. It says velvet liquid lipstick. That usually turns into matte for me, so I would definitely wear a very hydrating lip balm underneath just because of how dry I am as a person to begin with. This would probably go all crusty and dry out on me, but nonetheless I am very excited to give this one a go. And I'm so excited because we have a bonus sachet. This is the Garnier Organics Lavandin Anti-Age Day Cream. So I will definitely use this in the morning tomorrow as my moisturizer. I'm so excited they brought this bonus back. I don't know if it's back forever or if it's just for this box, but bring it back, Bellabox, bring it back. We have a HelloFresh card. Yep, that's right. It would not be a Bellabox without a HelloFresh card. And then I guess some more information about the toothpaste, other products that White Glow has and stuff like that. So just some advertisement, and that is everything. All right guys, so looking at everything we have in the box, it's kind of a meh box for me. Like the toothpaste, it's fine, but it's not like the most exciting thing in the world, but like it's all right, you know? The neck cream is pretty disappointing just because we've already received this literally only a couple of months ago. And it will expire soon, so I do see why it's in the box. They want to move the product before it expires and have to throw it away, but maybe give it to people who didn't get it the last time. You know, the waterproof mascara, I'm very excited to give that a go in summertime when I actually need the waterproof powers rather than in winter. So yeah, once the sweat weather starts coming, I will definitely be using that one. The Frizz Ease from Frieda. I'm pretty sure I've used this before, but I'll definitely keep it on hand should the weather become, you know, a bit more frizzy for me. The liquid lipstick I'm very excited about. It's a great winter color, and yeah, it's great to receive 2 makeup products in one box. And the bonus sachet sample is just an awesome, just like an anti-wrinkle moisturizer. I'm very excited to give that a go tomorrow morning. So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, what did you get in your box? Did you get something that I didn't? Did you get what I got? What did you think about what you got? What did you think about what I got? And yeah, make sure you give me a comment. I would really like to know your opinion on the box this month. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.